Greetings and salutations. Welcome to another Gimp tutorial. This tutorial is how to create two-tone text, similar to what you see before you now. Jumping right into it, File, New, select the size you want. We're going to fill it with white, hit OK. Next, we want to create some text. With the text tool, select that. Type your super awesome text. Step 2 is turning this text into a path. We're going to do that by selecting by color tool and click the color we want to select. From the select option, the bottom is to path. Select that. Go to the paths tab and rename your selection to text selection. Now I want to create a new path that will split the text at whatever angle I want to split. Alright, and I'm going to name this selection as text split. Next step is to add 2 layers for the 2 different tones of the text. I like a pattern, so I'm going to pick this pattern. I'm going to add a new layer. I'm going to call it background _1, and I'm going to fill it with a pattern. I'm going to select OK. I'm going to add another layer, but I'm going to pick a different pattern. About this purple lightning pattern. That looks cool. Add a new layer. We'll call it background 2. Hit OK. And next thing is to mask out these layers by right-clicking on the layer and picking Add Layer Mask. Make sure you have black full transparency. Hit Add. And you see that that layer is hidden. Do it again on the next layer by right-clicking on the layer, Add Layer Mask, make sure full transparency is selected, and Add. The next thing is to reveal the portions of these background images where the text is. To do that, we're going to go to the text selection path, go to Select From Path, and now we see we have just the text selected again. And we can go to our bucket fill tool. Now on the layers, since this is black as transparency, we want to reveal it, so we make the portions we want to reveal white. So change the foreground color to white. You can click this to flip them around, paint bucket tool, and simply fill. And we'll do the same thing for the other layer. Fill white and fill. Now to split the tones. To do that, we're going to go back to paths. We're going to select the text split. We're going to select from path. We'll go back to our layers, and I want to pick the top layer, and to hide what's been revealed, we just need to paint it back to black. Swap that around so black is your foreground color, and just proceed to filling each of those regions with the black color, and that will hide one of the layers while keeping the other layer visible. We'll turn off our paths, Control-Shift-A, unselects everything, and here is my super awesome two-tone text.